ogotara twatarire abantu arenganya ururu gari karokorigereri abakora inyomba ichete igoro sana karokanda Kisumu nabakora the town is getting transformed karokanda Laikipia nabakora housing ebintu bire very feasible in our manifesto for Huda in the manifesto of the president what he promised the Kenyans housing was there and he has delivered on the houses abantu mbana kwa vambe murungani you see I was reading karavana wa Israel bari ko move to slavery to the promised land bari ko murungani marangi almost 15 times if you read the Bible 15 bako na murungani even after bako miyogo kurumaga rochero rogwatana naiga betire but the next thing they say now why did you bring us here Moses why did you bring us the wilderness where did you ingwata ruseli en setu arenge nera in atu asumbuge ingwata randa rato ko kwela desert what William is doing the right things for this country Chinyomba that is the only way we can reach Singapore because people must live decent life there are people who are Nyomba they have no problem
so you but also believe in Singapore
if you go to the Nairobi gari Islam gari Sokoro kanga na Nyayo gari abantu they are so happy because they lived a bad life you know some of us here because you may not understand how much Nyomba kiricha kunire other people they'll never forget
utatigabona sombugusi Chinyomba chibona bonekero kurigereria achinse mo kiricha ugembo imeyafu machoge Chinyomba chiachire goro chiarorekanire kiro kurigere nyancho ali nchirororo do you feel like nga eyenero bona nyancho asi affordable housing ere eke ogoteba maene chipara chigoso aroro ne chimbe do you feel like nga ekitambukire kuiga ekiaringe kingencho kubwa andake chipara chiri chikoira abantu nonye na se Chinyombe chiga chinyane
good that's a very good question Matilda you know alia sengo rumanga jera wero to manga sengaragari kutu masaba Chinyomba ngoro sikuchiro I can tell you Chinyomba kina jigo takogere pare rosi werami ike manga gari chipare ji Chinyomba ira jigo kora nyanjwa jira mujeta nane asi Chinyomba ikiaga chiru na gari ngonyo yogota ngongi suswaro you see many of them chipare chikoro sikuchiobuya so inara mind to goteba that's when we are talking about Singapore this is exactly what we are talking about good housing good roads and the president is committed to Kolebintebi yes so chipara nje chiro suku near all those houses so that accessibility is there